Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I am also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different beautiful and amazing gold circles, amazing pebble home decoration ideas, uh, front doors, amazing plates of pebble home decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. You can make easily at home different beautiful home decoration, pebble art decoration, pebble rocks art, stone art, pebble art, and etc. And it's very classy and amazing, and I hope you like it. And you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and don't forget my YouTube channel. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, share care, bye, see you soon.